such as sportsmanship, camaraderie, sportsmanship, camaraderie, and unity. As this very important role in as this very important role as this very important role not just in improving someone's game, but also it is about inspiring a better society. Moreover, this shapes not only successful athletes, but also individuals who value respect, both on and off field. Because as Tommy Hilfiger said, good sportsmanship goes beyond the game. It starts with respect. Thank you. Yes, again, Kasupanan Pelayo, 16, representing Green Alligator Archbishop.